no person over here. Yeah, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you about one of the different concept previous videos and all you have seen about all two-wheeler segments. Right now I am going to show you about the one of the four-wheeler. It is one of the rugged and off-road machine. So here I am going to present you all the Maruti Gypsy. No need to introduce to anyone. Actually, everyone know about that Maruti Gypsy. It is actually renowned for the off-roading, all kind of rough patches as well as the highways and all. It is giving the uncompromised power as well as everyone knows. So friends, here I am going to tell you that the difference between the normal Gypsy and this vehicle. This vehicle is actually entirely different from the normal Gypsy. Why? Because this vehicle is powered by Isuzu. You have heard about that Contessa vehicle. So in 1988, due to the overconsumption of the petrol, the lack of the mileage, most of the Gypsy owners, they swap the engine into petrol into diesel because of the mileage problem in that time. So here this vehicle is also converted vehicle. That means the petrol engine is swapped with a diesel engine. I will show you. This vehicle is powered with a 1995 cc Isuzu 3000 rpm with 85 HP vehicle. So the Isuzu providing the uncompromised power with 5-speed transmission, and the important thing I just want to tell you that it is this vehicle can able to achieve the 16 km with 1 liter of diesel. It is one of the important thing, as well as they provide the maximum power of the 85 HP. The normal petrol Gypsy gives only 80 bhp, but here it is this vehicle give within 3000 rpm it can generate 85 HP in so it can able to go in as well as the rough patches, sludgy area, and in case it is going to the highway, it will go as a normal 5-speed transmission powerful vehicle, just like that. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Thanks for watching this video, and please like, share and subscribe my video and my channel, and follow there is a lot of other videos are down here. Just watch and subscribe, and yeah, that's all. Thank you. Bye.